Okay, so punta naman tayo sa mga topics. Okay, topics ng grade 9 ano, sa term 1. So titingnan natin kung ano-ano ba yung mga i-discuss ngayong term 1. At titingnan din natin kung nabago ba yung alignment ng mga learning competency, kung possible ba na mga gamit pa din natin yung learning lesson exemplar as a guide. Okay, so tingnan natin. So actually, the answer for that question is yes. Similar sa grade 7, grade 8. Ang grade 9 po is hindi na naibo. Yung kanilang learning competency sa matatag is yun pa din. Kasi ang grade 9, ang talaga nilang quarter 1 is physics and earth science. Which is yun pa din naman. Okay, physics and earth science. From week 1, okay, week 1 to 8, kitang-kita natin it's physics. And week 9 to 11, it's earth science. Okay, so yun pa din naman, hindi na bago. Okay, yung arrangement. Okay, supposedly itong earth science na to, 9 to 11 is quarter 2. Okay, kung hindi na bago yung ating apat na quarter. Okay, pero nga since na bago, napasama siya sa first term ng grade 9. So ito yung mga topics. Sa week 1, pwede natin i-discuss dyan yung first law of motion. Week 2, yung second law and the third law. Sir, bakit hindi mo ginawang week 3 yung third law? Kasi sa budget of work, ang 3 laws of motion ay kailangan lang nating i-discuss from week 1 to 2. Hindi na siya pwedeng lumagpas ng ganong ano kasi yun ang nasa budget of work. So week 3, yan, magsisimula na tayo dito ng discussion about electricity. Okay, so yung nature of electricity sobrang haba. So i-divide ko ano, week 3 and week 4. Sa week 5, ang i-discuss natin dito, pwede natin i-discuss puro series and then sa week 6 is yung parallel circuits naman. Okay, gano'n. Ano, then sa week 7 doon natin i-discuss yung electromagnetic radiation, and sa week 8 doon natin i-discuss yung application and harmful effects of electromagnetic radiation. So medyo actually itong topic week 1 to 8 napakadali for me. Bakit naman or napakadali for me kasi in my 6 years na pagtuturo na is puro ako sa grade 8 na pa 6 years na nga ba ako nagturo? 3 years, 4 years. Oy, magsa 7 years na pala ako. Magsa 7 years na. So, 7 years ko na yan, puro grade 8 ako. So, yung old curriculum nito, week 1 to 8, okay, week 1 to 8, yan ay dating grade 8 topics. Kaya, so, parang na-refresh lang din ako. Okay, so, ang makaka-relate dito is yung mga grade 8 ano, teachers. Ano, so, kaya, okay yan, mga topic yan. Madali lamang yung mga yan. Sa week 9 to 11, ito naman ang aking tanda sa old curriculum. Itong topic na to is part siya ng grade 10, old curriculum. Pero naibaba, okay, nasa grade 9 ngayon. Ano, so evidence of continental drift and existence of a single ancient supercontinent, the plate boundaries, types, and characteristics and geological or topographical evidence in the Philippines. Ang dali. So, ayan. So, week 1 to 2, yung Newton's laws of motion. Week 3 to 8, electricity and the electromagnetic radiation. Week 9 to 11 is plate boundaries, the continental drift theory, si Alfred. Okay, the Pangaea. Okay, mga ganun. Andyan yan. So, yun lamang yung mga topics sa grade 9. At ang tanong, pwede natin pang gamitin yung ating lesson exemplar as a guide. Pero pag nakita natin na sobrang hirap naman yung mga activities, pwede tayo mag-improvise. But remember, yung bilin ko lagi is dapat yun pa din. Yung objectives, yun yung learning competency, yun pa din. Okay, hindi natin babaguhin. Ay, ayoko, ang hirap ng learning competency na to. Hindi pwede. Kung ano yung nasa curriculum guide, yun ang ating susundin. Okay? So, thank you so much.